guys, Gaming123 here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Python adding program. It will be a very easy tutorial which will be done in about 5 minutes. So first, make it, and I will be naming it, let's do subtract. So instead of add, actually I will tell you how to subtract on this Python program. So now this is my first thing, so it will be very basic. So subtract it. So first, we have to make two variables. So you can put any letter. I will use x for one. So x equals, right? Let's do a basic number. X equals 9. And then click enter to go to the next row. And then we do y equals 3. Next row. And then now we have to do, so we cannot do z minus y equals, we cannot do x. This is not possible, because if we do x minus y equals z, the computer won't get it, because it's going to be like it doesn't know what to put x minus y in, because it just does it, because it's a way of Python. So you can't do x minus y equals z, but you have to do z equals y, z equals x minus y. So now it knows that it has to find out what z is equal to, and it knows how to do it. So x minus y, and then in the end, so every time you wanted to write something, like this part in the bottom, you see where my arrow is, my arrow key, right there. So in that part, so you want it, so it's gonna print everything over there. So you have to write print, okay, space. As you can see, the print is in blue. It says print, and then write print the variable z. So it's gonna tell us what 9 minus 3 is, right? And then so right click on the stage and click run subtract and 6. So this is really good for your math homework or whatever you want. So now let's do a complicated one. Let's do, how about, so this will be another way. So x equals, wait, this is going to be an even basic number, because what I'm going to do will be harder. Than y equals 2. So this will not be a subtracting one, this will actually be an adding one. So then basically, so this might be confusing, but we're going to have a new y. So y equals y plus x. So we actually have a new y. So the new y will be 6 plus 2, which is 8. And then after that, so next file, and then we're gonna print the new y. So basically now the answer should be so 6 plus 2 is equals, so plus, so 6 plus 2 equals 8, right? So basically the answer will be, actually wait, so to make it even more complicated, let's do, so the answer to that, which will be 8, right? We do that y, so a whole nother y equals the new y plus x. So then the really new y should be the new y, which is 8 plus x, which is 2. So the answer should be 14 in this. So run subtract, and oh, oops, there's an error. Oh yeah, so over here, so don't just click space, click tab. So that's a lot of spaces. Same over here, so click tab, which is on the left side of the keyboard. Now let's try it. Run subtract, and another error. Click or press Alt or Enter. No effect options. Oh yeah, so basically over here, so you can just do y plus y equals 8. So you have to do actually wait, I don't think you can do that. I think you can only go up to yeah, I think it's y plus y equals x, right? And y equals y plus x. I think you can only go up to that. Now let's try it. What's the error? Nope. So, oh, I think it's because I don't want tab here. So go back. I don't think there's an error anymore. Run it, and the answer is. Oh yeah. So our mistake was we haven't printed the answer, so we needed to print the new y. The new y that we have. Now run it. 8. Wait, now I think that was the mistake before. So enter, right? So before we do that, so y equals y plus x. So y equals y plus x. And then the answer to that will be g. So g, which is another variable, equals the new y, like the really, really new y, y plus, yeah, so y plus, oops, over here it's y, same mistake. So g equals y plus the really old x, which is the old x. So g should basically be 8 plus 2, so g should be 10. Let's try it. So run it and, oh yeah, we also have to print it, remember? So print G. Perfect. Now run subtract and 14. I guess I did my math wrong. Oh yeah. So basically the new y over here, the third row, has to be 8. And then G has to be what? Wait, so 6 plus 2 is 8, and then I guess x just became 4 somehow, but I don't know, but obviously the computer is more smarter than us, and that is it. So this is a really basic one. In my next tutorials will be much harder. If you have any questions, ask me them in the comments.